Hello everyone, this is a quick unboxing video of Dji Mic Mini. Here are some specs if you wanna have a look. So let's see what's inside. So inside this little pouch, I have already unboxed it, actually just repacked it for you. So a DJI sticker and some manuals. I don't think so anyone going to touch these. So let's see what's inside this pouch. There are 4 wind screens here. The receiver and charging case and transmitter itself. There is a hidden port too, so type C, and then this 3.5 millimeter cable, and that's it. So let's see. There are actually 2 different kind of windshields. I heard like this one performs better outdoors, so if there would be too windy, I suggest this. If you're going for looks, this definitely looks better compared to this one. So inside the charging case, 2 transmitters with this little magnet, a type C adapter, nothing here. And I will like to share another trick so that you can carry each and everything. So just bring these together right here at the bottom, make a circle, and you can actually put it here like this. Actually right now there would be a problem because the type C adapter is right here, but no issues. Let's check with the windscreen. Windscreen is on, no issues. So only thing that you have to do is put a type C adapter here and leave it like this. The very nice thing about this, like they designed it so well that it going to be here. So this one you can actually put it in your bag so that you won't lose it and you're never going to touch it again, I believe. So that's it. And if you want to see a noise cancellation test, there is a noise cancellation test on my channel, and please share if you like this. It's really helped to grow the channel. Have a good day guys, take care.